Hi guys, today we're going to be making a bird nest craft. So for this craft, you're going to need old bangles or bracelets, and you're going to have to tape them together to stabilize it. Some birds. You'll need jute rope. Some cutout fringe. I don't have brown for the dried green of the nest, so I'm going to use this green rope. You don't have to use jute rope. You can also use some loom for this and hot glue gun. Start off thin line glue. And then you'll take your head, glue it on, and you'll keep doing this with the glue until you get to the end. As you can see, I've covered it and I need some more jute rope. See, I've made this. I wrapped it all with my string. And now I'm going to make a base for it. So for that, I have this thick paper. You need any type of thick paper or cardboard. I'm going to trace this out. Maybe a little bumpy because you're tracing rope, but when you cut it, you can cut it neatly. As you can see, I've cut out the base, and now I'm going to glue the base on. So for that, I take the hot glue, I put it around here. And I take the paper, and then I'm going to glue it on. Now I'm going to show you how to make the thread to hang it on. So for that, you'll need your jute rope or loom again. And I have some examples already made. So you're going to take it and you're going to sort of like braid it up. And if you want, you can attach a bead to it. Now on the end and taped it to a flat surface, which I decided to do my dollhouse because it's easy to show you guys. And I have 3 strings that are knotted together at the top, and I'm going to braid these 3. You're going to keep braiding until you get to about the end. And then once you get to about the end, you're going to put a knot there so the braids will stay in place. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to put a bead on. And then once you got that, just keep on braiding. Alright, so I'm ready with the braids, and I put in beads, and I knotted them up here so that they would all be together when I glued them on. So let's glue them on. I'm going to take the nest and add a circle of glue in the middle. And we're going to add the lines for the braids that come out as well. So first you're going to be careful. Put this in the middle. Each one up. And glue it. And it makes glued on, and now we need to knot it. So for the knot, gonna go with this simple knot. And now I'm going to fill this nest with some fringes. These paper represent the grass of the nest. So now we have the grass full. We're going to have the birds sit in the nest. So add some hot glue to the bottom of the bird. Put the nest carefully. and put it down, hold it in place. So the bird is in there. Now I'm going to put some eggs. The clay I have molded into little balls, and I painted it white so that they look like eggs. Now I'm going to carefully place each one in the nest. Mama bird is having little babies. So you can see our DIY is ready, and we're done. So please subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and watch my other videos. Bye, and thank you for